Passed CRT-403 certification preparation for Platform App Builder exam recently and share free questions. 1. An app builder needs a custom solution and is considering using community. Ease of updates is the primary consideration. What should the app builder consider? A managed package from AppExchange. B. An unmanaged package from AppExchange. C. An open source unmanaged package. D. An open source custom development. Answer: A. 2. Universal Containers implemented an application process that uses custom objects, internships, and applications. The organization-wide default for internships has been set to private and is the master in the master detail relationship with applications. The VP of HR wants to allow edit access to applications to recruiters. How should an app builder configure the proper access? A. Set the organization-wide default on the application's object to read, write. B. Add a sharing rule that grants the users read, write access to the internship records. C. Create a queue for the web applications and assign access to the users who will be editing the records. D. Create a sharing rule that grants the users read, write access to the application records. Answer: B. 3. A new app builder on the CloudKicks team is getting familiar with relationships in the data model. What functionality would present the app builder a comprehensive view of all relationships in one pie? A. Schema builder. B. Lightning Object Creator. C. Object Manager. D. Lightning Record Page. Answer: A. 4. An app builder needs to deploy a new account detail page layout from sandbox to production. Which 3 components should an app builder include in the change set to ensure it deploys successfully and visually as expected? Choose 3 answers. A. Detail page layout. B. Custom fields. C. Custom actions. D. Lightning App Builder. E. System Administrator Profile. Answer: A, B, C. 5. An app builder at CloudKicks created a custom object and related fields in the schema builder. What next steps should the app build take to ensure users can access the new object and fields? A. Create a permission set for access to the object and fields. B. Allow reporting for the object and fields. C. Assign data types to the fields on the object. D. Add the fields to the page layout on the object. Answer: D. 6. An app builder wants to deploy a new version of an auto-launched flow to production in an active state so that the new functionality is immediately available to users. What should the app builder take into consideration when planning the deployment? A. Verify there is an Apex test that provides test coverage for the flow. B. Grant user access to the flow. C. Manually activate the flow after deployment. D. Include the process builder calling the flow in the deployment. Answer: A. 7. The VP of Sales wants a chatter post to the All Sales private group when an opportunity goes to the closed won stage. What 2 tools should the app builder use to automate this process? Choose 2 answers. A. Flow. B. Process builder. C. Big deal alert. D. Workflow. Answer: A, B. 8. Universal Containers wants to display the real-time stock price for each account on the account record page. How should an app builder implement this request? A. Add a dynamic report to the page layout. B. Create a Lightning Web component. C. Install a solution from the App Exchange. D. Build a visual flow that users API calls. Answer: C. 9. An app builder is preparing to deploy a new app from the sandbox to production using change sets. What 2 considerations should an app builder keep in mind during this process? Choose 2 answers. A. Salesforce Connect automatically establishes a link between environments. B. Change sets do not include all components and may have to perform some changes manually. C. Users should be logged out of production when receiving inbound change sets. D. Transactions will revert if the deployment errors. Answer: B, D. 10. An app builder at Universal Containers has been asked to add the chatter feed to a custom object record page. Which approach should the app builder use? A. Add the standard chatter feed component. B. Add the standard related list component. C. Add a custom chatter feed component. D. Add the chatter feed component from the App Exchange. Answer: A.